long and winding bus down from our onsen. And what was it called? Hiroshima? Yeah, but the name of the city. Anyway, that's where we are now. We're at Aso Station. The bus coming down, apparently you had to reserve it, but we didn't know that, so we were lucky that we got on it. And beautiful views coming down. Now we're sitting here. We got some tickets from the JR station lady that are booked seats for an Aso train and then a Sakura train to Hiroshima. Should take a couple hours, but at least there's less transfers and less to get mixed up in local trains and stuff like that. Should be good. And we're going back to our fave, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, should be good. Hopefully.
Be interesting to see how much Hiroshima has changed in 10 years.
Yeah. Nostalgia vibes.
Because on our first, well, my first trip to Japan, our first trip together, yeah, it was our favorite city that time around. Fortunately, we weren't vlogging then. There's only clips for rap videos and I guess some other stuff for fun.
Yeah. So we'll make new memories. For an incredibly brief period of time, switching trains and then going to Hiroshima. Hopefully we can find a stamp sometime in the next couple of minutes, but we'll see. Guess where we are. Yeah. We found the stamp. So now we've got like 15 minutes to get on our next train. So it's time to find some bear cookies.
6.5 hours later.
Is that it right there?
Yeah.
Good choice.
I told you it was exit 8.
I didn't remember that you'd picked one directly by the station. That's smart.
Alright, so this is the room tour of our Hiroshima tour accommodation. This is it. It's a bed, a little desk. There's one of them unit bathrooms. If you know, you know. And most importantly on this here tour, do you want to show them the most important part?
I don't know what you mean.
It's the sack you put over your head if there's any fires.
Oh.
It's the fire sack. That's it. That's the whole thing. That's all.
Here we are.
Got more to say than that?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
The beauty of editing. I'm sure you'll make it glamorous and swift.
Isn't that pretty? Can you see that?
On the GoPro it's very dark, but the lights will all be...
Yeah. Oh, look at the glow in behind.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Yeah. It looks pinker on there.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Do you want to be a kid on the slope with me here?
Sure.
Yep, we have to find actually a slope.
Yeah.
It's not a slope here.
Benches. Well, that middle one's covered in garbage. That's a shame.
Yeah.
That's not the Hiroshima I remember.
See the glow dog?
Oh yeah. Oh,
Look, all the dogs over there too.
the dog blocking community. Are you ready for this?
Ready for what?
Okonomiyaki.
Oh, that's the Hiroshima pizza?
Yeah. Yeah, I think we should do it. Quick update there, camera. It was too crowded. We ran away. Now you're updated.
You're in the little beer onsen. Is that where you want to be? Yeah, the way we make okonomiyaki is always vegan. You got the vegan ones and not vegan. They all look the same, but that one's not. These ones are. That one's not. This one is. No. Hey. And also there's a Wu-Tang W in the corner. Over there. How's it going?
We eaten.
That's right. Apply the mayo.
Squirt that mayo.
Comes out pretty fast.
Yeah. Gochi sauce mashita. I'm pretty sure that's just the Pink Panther, but red with a visor and a golf club. Ooh, what's right here? That looks like a fun time. Good morning. We're about to head to the train station to get some tickets to go to Tokyo tomorrow, and then we're gonna head down towards the Peace Memorial and see that for real this time. We didn't go into the museum last time. Yeah, so we'll see how that is.
Heavy.
Should be an excellent day. We're waiting on the cat tram, and we're gonna take a streetcar.
We are?
Yeah, we're gonna take a streetcar from station, Hiroshima station, all the way down to Peace Park.
It's an easy walk, but Molly likes the streetcars, so we're going to try out some different transportation.
It's like a half-hour walk.
Yeah.
That's,
And the streetcars have quite the interesting history as well.
yeah, for sure. The fact that they were up and running a couple days after,
Yeah. Impressive.
They still have streetcars around that survived.
Yeah.
The weird way of saying it, I guess. But, yeah.
Yeah. Happy Halloween.
Yeah, I guess so.
Interesting juxtaposition.
Yeah.
experience.
Yeah, always is.
At least there's the uplifting undertone of peace and hope for the future.
And I just saw a little dog go by wearing a crocheted hat, and that
Saw that
lifted my
too.
spirits.
It was cute.
Looks spectacular, you know?
Pickles.
I haven't filmed anything in a long time. I'm not sure where vlogging is left off. We did a bunch of shopping though. Got some records. Harith as well. Here's a dope temple. Ooh, there's a dope stone lion. Dope stone lion. Bridges look so peaceful along the water. Yeah, I don't know where we left off vlog-wise. We went to the museum, obviously. It's heavy, it's a lot. Puts one in a very somber mood, so we've had a pretty slow day since then. Shopping, having a little meal, taking it easy.
Sorry.
It's quite alright.
That's a lot of water.
Thanks. Yeah, I guess I have nothing to say.
You had longer hair here last time.
Yeah, dynamite.
It's a video. You can walk in front of it if you want.
I will.
That. Yeah. I think it probably says something like that. But it's one of the few trees that survived.
what's up?